Hello everyone. Thanksgiving here in Canada is fast approaching, so that's why I came up with this lesson on sorting a list of ingredients that you need to buy for the Thanksgiving dinner. So we have here two lists, or two shopping lists. One here is just a plain list of items. Right there, they're just numbered here, right? And another list has more details and they're actually organized in a table. Now, the question that we have for this lesson is, can you sort your data? Can you sort your list in Word? Yeah, that's easy. All we need to do, okay, let's start here with the simple list here, the simple shopping list. I'm going to select the items in this list, okay, from milk all the way to gravy. And then I will be using this button here called the sort button. There, okay, let me zoom in a bit. There you go. That's the sort button right there, the A to Z button. Alright, so we're going to use that to sort our data or to sort our list. So I'm going to click that now. And now I will be sorting that list. It's just a bunch of paragraphs or text. And I want to sort that text in ascending order. Okay, so let me click OK. And now see, the list is now sorted from C, A to Z, from C all the way to W. Okay, so corn, cranberry, sauce, flour, gravy, etc. Okay, so you can also sort in descending order. Let me try that. Okay, I'll choose descending here. There. Okay, so now it's from W to C. Okay, so you have the ability to sort lists in your, or list of paragraphs even, in Word. Okay, let me just undo this to bring it back to, sorted in descending order. And now let me move on to this table right here. There are 3 columns, and we can sort each of these columns or sort two or more columns at the same time. Okay, so let's just sort, let's say, the item column here. I want to sort this in alphabetical order, much like our list over here, right? These are the same items, see? So I'm going to go here. I want to sort the item in here. It's very simple. All I need to sort the items in this table is just by hitting the sort button once again. You can also find the sort button in the table tools tab in the layout sub tab, and you'll find the sort button here as well. Okay, but I prefer to just use the sort button in the home tab because it's already there, right? There's fewer clicks. Okay, so I'm gonna hit this button now, the sort button, and now as you can see, we have here a drop-down list, but the first thing I want to show you is this one here. My list has header rows, and that is true. In this table, the first row contains titles, or these are headers for the data in this table. Okay, so that's right, and so that's why it's correct that we need to keep this marked. Okay, and so that's why we can see the names of the headers right here. Okay, purchase where, item, and of course the quantity. Okay, so I'm going to choose item right now. Okay, because I want to sort the item column, and I'm going to choose ascending and click OK. And now look at that. The table has been sorted, and it's sorted by item. Okay, I want to sort the quantity this time. As you can see, the quantity column has numbers at the beginning. I will be sorting the numbers. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go back to the sort button, and this time instead of item, I'm going to choose quantity. There, and again in ascending order, click OK. There we go. See, the table has been sorted now. The data in the table has been sorted now by quantity, starting from 0.5 to 1 to 2 and 24 cobs. Now, however, the units are different for each of these quantities here, but it doesn't matter for now. Okay, so we just wanted to show that you can sort by number. Okay. And now, what if you want to sort by the location, which is the purchase where, okay, and the item? Okay, so I want to sort by location and item, meaning I want to sort this column first, then this one at the same time. So you can do that. What you need to do is go back to the sort button, and then as you can see here, you have sort by. Let's sort it by location first, or what we call here purchase where, in ascending order, then by, okay, then by what? Then by item, okay? So what this is gonna do, okay, now this is ascending as well. What this is gonna do is to sort the first column here, the location or the purchase where first, and then after that it will be sorting this the second column, okay, if there are duplicates in the first column. Let me show you that. I'll click OK. There. So see here, since there are duplicates, all the duplicates are sorted together. See, all the farms are grouped together, the supermarkets, okay? So as you can see, they're all sorted, but the effect of this is that your items here in the location column or the purchase where column is that the items are grouped together, okay? Sorted and grouped together. And so if you have these duplicates right here, now the sorting is passed on to the second sort key, which is item. And so see, you can see here that the items are sorted, okay, for all the items that are found in the farm, okay? So corn, maple syrup, M, P, T, and W. And that's also true for items in the supermarket. See, it goes back to C, F, G, and M. Okay, so this is what you call multiple level sorting. Okay, in Word you can sort up to 3 levels. See, 1, 2, and 3. Unlike in Excel where you can sort really many levels. Okay, so that's how to sort your data in Word, both in a simple list or information or data that is in a table. Okay, so that's how to perform sorting, and happy Thanksgiving. Thank you very much.